Skyway. Hello, I'm Seeka, and I'm so glad you found me up here in my treetop. This is my favorite place to sit. I could spend all day up here, listening to the birds sing, watching the clouds move around and take on different shapes. And my favorite thing about my treetop is that from here, if the sky is nice and clear, you can even sometimes see a rainbow. Do you want to tell me if you can see a rainbow? Did you see it? That's a beautiful rainbow. And this one's very, very special because if we go and look very carefully, sometimes we can see all sorts of special surprises. Do you want to come take a look with me? Okay, let's see if we can find a special surprise. Here we are, we found the rainbow. And it looks like there might be a special surprise hidden in this rainbow. Can you tell me which color lights up so we know where the special surprise is? Blue. Let's look in the blue door to see if there's a special blue surprise today. Oh, I see something. It's really heavy. Oh my goodness. Do you know what this is? This is called a dumbbell, or you can call it a weight. It's really heavy and it helps us exercise and grow our muscles so we get stronger and stronger. Dumbbells and weights remind me to exercise and move my body. There's lots of different things we can do to exercise and move our body. We can use weights. We can even go for a walk. We can play a game or a sport like soccer, or we can use a skipping rope and jump rope. We can even dance. Dance is a great way to move your body and exercise.
All right, we're gonna teach you a dance, and we're gonna take it step by step. We go stomp, stomp on the ground. Arms up, arms down. Now rewind, let's add some more. In 1, 2, 3, 4. Stomp, stomp on the ground. Arms up, arms down. Shuffle, shuffle to the right, then shuffle to the other side. And rewind, let's add some more. In 1, 2, 3, 4. Stomp, stomp on the ground. Arms up, arms down. Shuffle, shuffle to the right, then shuffle to the other side. And find your vibe, find your vibe, find your vibe, find your vibe. Lean left, lean right, lean left, lean right. Now rewind, let's add some more. In 1, 2, 3, 4. Stomp, stomp on the ground. Arms up, arms down. Shuffle, shuffle to the right, then shuffle to the other side. And find your vibe, find your vibe, find your vibe, find your vibe. Lean left, lean right, lean left, lean right. Hands on your head and roll. Hands on your head and roll. And move till the beat is done in 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello, Auntie K.
Hi, Uncle B.
We're with Joyful Noise. Are you guys ready to make some joyful noise? Can I hear you make a joyful noise?
That was good.
Really good. What kind of joyful noise would you make?
Okay.
Whoa. Mine would go. Brang dang ding de bang da bang da bang bing bing bra ba da ba doo.
I like how it ended. Look, it's one of our Sankafarians.
Hey,
Hi,
Aisha.
Can you make a joyful noise for us? Super joyful. Well, we're going to actually do a song now, and I think Aisha's here to help us out. Do you think you can follow along? It's call and response. So it means I'm going to sing, and you guys are going to respond, and so can you too. All right, let's go. Cheche Kool-Aid.
Cheche Kool-Aid.
Cheche Kofisa.
Cheche Kofisa.
Kofi Salangan.
Kofi Salanga.
Kaka Shilanga.
Kaka Shilanga. Kum. Arere kum. Arere kum. Arere kum.
Arere.
Yay, good. You guys did really good out there.
But do you think you could do it fast?
I think they can do it.
All right, let's check it
Let's
out.
give it a shot.
Cheche Kool-Aid.
Cheche Kool-Aid.
Cheche Kofisa.
Cheche Kofisa.
Kofi Salanga.
Kofi Salanga.
Kaka Shilanga.
Kaka Shilanga. Kum. Arere kum. Arere kum. Arere kum. Arere. Whoa, that was fast. Holy smokes. You guys did great. I think they got it, but I wonder if they can do it really slow.
Oh, let's try. Cheche Kool-Aid.
Cheche Kool-Aid.
Cheche Kofisa.
Cheche Kofisa.
Kofi Salanga.
Kofi Salanka.
Kaka Shilanga.
Kaka Shilanka.
Kum.
Adede kum. Adede kum. Adede.
Ooh.
Yay!
I think
That was
Aisha
good.
got stuck in major slow motion mode. She was so slow.
What do we do? Push
You
the
speed her up!
There you go. Push the fast forward button.
So you brought something cool to show us.
That's right. We brought one of our headpieces from our show, one of our Nancy stories. We work in collaboration with Music and Mass to make these fun pieces. They're colorful, bright, and vibrant. And you might also see them at Caribbean Carnival and festivals as well.
That's amazing. So someone wears that mask during one of the stories at your show?
That's right.
So a lot of our stories actually use animals as the character. It's really easy when you're doing storytelling to use animals because everybody can relate to them. People don't know what zebra does, but now they're gonna know.
And in West African culture, a lot of the stories that we share and tell are meant to speak about the origin of something like the wind, or to speak about a moral lesson, which is like, you should behave, do not steal, and things like that.
And it's easier to tell zebra not to steal than it is a little kid.
Oh, that's fair enough. So what's the hardest thing about your job?
Oh, I think my job's pretty fun and pretty easy, but maybe one of the hardest things is making sure everybody is listening with their listening ears and sitting down when they're supposed to be sitting down and getting up when it's time to get up.
Okay.
I think bringing some of the stories to life as well is a challenge. So you guys will have to come and see our shows to see how we do it and make it happen.
So where can we find your show?
Oh, that's a great question. Right now it's summertime, which is our busiest time of the year. We do lots of festivals, and you can find us at places like the Kerry West Festival. We'll also be at the Jerk and Jala Festival. You can find us at any festival where there's going to be lots of people and lots of culture.
Je marche. Je saute. Je cours. Je danse. Je marche. Je saute. Je cours. Je danse. Je marche. Je saute. Je cours. Je danse. my friends. It's been so nice having you here with me in the Skyway. Until we see each other again, we're going to dance, dance goodbye.
Hands up and waving high, dance, dance goodbye. Hands down and waving low, it's time to go. From my head down to my feet, I can feel the beat. My body's moving side to side. Dance, dance goodbye. Dance, dance goodbye.
Let's do that one more time together. Hands way up in the sky.